Hey guys, so I'm going to do a tutorial on this look today. I want to do a little bit different one, kind of mix it up. I saw Graveyard Girl, Bunny. She did a video on a pink challenge and I thought that sounded kind of fun because pink is my favorite color and I have a lot of pink makeup. So I thought I'd try that out. Anyway, this is the finished look. I'm really happy with it. I was a little scared about halfway through, as you'll see, but anyway, if you're interested in seeing how I did this, please keep watching. Alright, so off camera I put on my BB cream, sunscreen, and concealer, and I did my eyebrows too because I didn't really feel like doing those on camera today. It's always a little harder. So first I'm going to start with my eyeshadow. I'm going to use, I haven't used this in a while, so I was excited. I don't have a lot of pink eyeshadow right now. This is the I Heart Makeup Chocolate and Peaches palette. It's a really good dupe for the Too Faced Peach palette. Alright, got my little old e.l.f. brush here, right here in the middle. One of the reasons I love this palette is because how big the mirror is. Obviously I can't really show you without showing the camera, but it just has a mirror that's just as big as the top of this palette and I love it. It's perfect for filming. Alright, so this warm peachy shade, it's like got a tiny bit of sparkle in it. Alright, nice and bright. I love this. This is so different than what I've been doing lately. So there is a color, another pink, more like rose gold pink shade at the top here. I'm going to use that next. I'm going to put that just underneath my eye. Kind of have it connect, obviously, with the top. Whew, this is going to look a lot better with mascara on. It looks kind of crazy right now. So I'm obviously, one of my favorite pink blushes is the Glossier Cloud Paint and Puff. And hopefully that focuses in. So I'm going to start out with that because it's kind of sheer, so I want to put more on, but it's a really nice pinky base and it mixes really well with the red I already have on my face. And with the Glossier colors, because they're so sheer, I like to take them up a little bit around my eyebrow. I just like how that looks. No particular reason, it's all aesthetic. Right, so it's a really nice base. Obviously, if you've used these, you know, you can build them up pretty bright. I don't really want a bright pink, I want kind of a deeper pink. So I'm gonna mix it with this new blush I got in Tokyo when I was visiting. It's a Can Make is the brand. Can Make. My camera died for a second, but I got this blush in Tokyo called Can Make Lip and Cheek Gel. Can Make is the brand, and it comes in this cute little package because it's Japanese. So I already put a little bit of it on because I thought it was filming, but it's just this nice, it's probably cheating a little bit on the pink, but it's this nice like pinky berry color. And it also has like a tiny little mirror in it. It's very cute. So I'm gonna put a little bit more of that on. When I wear this, I do it with a more natural eye or no eye at all. So I usually will wrap it like all the way around to make kind of a natural flushed look. But since I have so much on my eyes, I'm just gonna keep it on the apples of the cheeks. Because that might be too intense for me, I think. Kind of sneaking up to the nose because I can't help it. I really like that look. It's what my face naturally does, so it's nice to accentuate it. Yeah. Need a bigger mirror to take a look at it though. Ah, very nice. Just pink all over. Alright, so I'm going to put some mascara on to see how it looks because I feel like these kind of eye looks always look better with a little mascara. My mascara is not pink. I don't really have pink mascara. It's in a pink bottle though. It's the Glossier Lash Slick, so we'll pretend that's not cheating. So I've got this Bite lip pencil because I wanted to make my lip a little bit darker than the tint I'm going to use. So this is the Bite lip pencil in 34. It's just kind of a magenta-y dark pink kind of thing. I'm trying to use as many pink shades as I can in one look because I thought that would be fun. So I'm just going to use a tiny bit, which is perfect because I really, really need to sharpen this. And I can't find my sharpener. Alright, there we go. Look nice and crazy with just a lip liner on. Okay, and lastly, I'm going to use this Etude House Soft Drink Lip Tint. I did a full review on most of the colors. I think I was missing one color. And I'll link that video above me if you want to watch the review, and I swatch all of them too. This is one of my favorites from the line, and it's pink, so it's perfect. And it smells like peaches, so you really can't lose. I've actually never tried it with this lip liner before, so I think it should be okay. Oh, it smells so good. There we go. So this is the finished look. It's not that extreme for probably a lot of people, but it is for me because I've been doing so many very natural, simple looks the last couple months. So this has been pretty fun to experiment with. It's definitely, as far as these color challenge looks go, I feel like it is more natural and wearable. I don't have pink eyebrows or pink eyelashes or anything like that. You just look a little extra flushed and pink, which is good. It's healthy and it looks good on everyone. So if you enjoy videos like this, check out my channel. Make sure to like this video, subscribe if you like the other videos. I do lots of makeup tutorials, brand reviews, and some travel videos here and there sprinkled in. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you next time.